Chris? What did we get for lunch, Chris?
I got a beef soup because I like it with the sour cream. So you're supposed to put the sour cream inside the soup. It's there. Ooh.
And I got a mixed grill, sausage, meat, chicken, pork chop, and fries. And
I got a donut filled with cheese and sour cream. And surprisingly, this town, it looks very, very slow. Almost like a ghost town. Park. And that's for sale up there if you wanted to buy a hotel. On the way to the castle, to the Peles Castle, I find the waterfall. So pretty. And here we are going to the castle. Peles Castle, the best castle in Romania. This is the best castle in the world. I like it the most out of all the castles. The big first castle and all the others. Look at it, it's beautiful outside and inside. And we find the fox. A fox in front of the castle. While I was recording the castle, I think the fox liked the castle also. So here it is, the fox running in front of the castle. Bye, Foxy. Bye bye, Foxy. This is the sign, and they said, attention, this area it's almost frequented by the bears. The bears are coming here because I think they like this castle also. So now we are in the last day on our road trip, or 10 day, and we are going to Bucharest. See you from Bucharest. So we left the Peles Castle, we had fun, and now
we saw a fox. Hopefully we got it on film.
And now our driver here gonna take us safe and sound for the last day of our Romanian tour.
That's it. Time to go to Bucharest, take our COVID test, and then hop a flight back home.
See you in Bucharest. Let's see if we are driving faster than the train or not. Yay! Let's fly to Bucharest. We're cheating, so we got in the room and look at the bathroom. Pretty cool. We have a jacuzzi and everything else we need. It's actually not a room, it's a suite. So we have, it's pretty big, spacious, king size bed, too much luggage. This is all our luggage. Ben stressing out by the drive through Bucharest, and voila, we have the second part of the suite in here. In this place we're gonna stay for 2 nights. After coffee stuff, we should turn the light on. And actually we have a second bathroom, and this one is with a shower, and this is me, hi, still toilet, whatever you need, and another closet, and this is it. We're gonna enjoy 2 more nights here in Bucharest. I didn't see Alex's room yet, but I'm sure it's the same. Really.
Morning, guys. This is our last day in Romania. We're just gonna go walk around Bucharest a little bit. I have to call it a short day today. We have an early flight tomorrow morning. And today I think we're just gonna go check out, what's the name of this fountain?
It's like Romanian fountains on the boulevard Unirea. They have a lot of fountains there, and they're very pretty, so we're gonna go see them.
All right.
Behind me over there, it's Colțea Hospital. That's the hospital where I deliver my son, right over there. But the whole place is Colțea Hospital.
If you've ever been to Bucharest, you need to have eaten at one of these Luca stores here. They have the best.
The pretzel is
the
1.5. The pretzel, 1.5.
Pretzels, hot dogs and bread, pizza. The pizza isn't that good, but get the hot dog wrapped in dough and the pretzels with sesame seeds on them. They're amazing, and they're dirt cheap. And I could eat it for 3 meals a day. Luca is the place. Found a really nice park with a walk around downtown Bucharest, right off of University, right? Unirea Street, which is like the main boulevard that runs through the heart of Bucharest. I'm going to check out this beautiful fountain down here. Here's one of this giant, beautiful fountain here to check out. All sorts of park benches just to sit and enjoy, have a snack. I would have stopped at Luca if you're smart and got a pretzel. It's actually a giant fountain. We're only on one part of it, and there's actually a fountain in the middle that's a giant roundabout. And it's surrounded on all sides by more fountains. Bucharest Fountain actually continues all the way down the street, down to the Parliament building, which is the second largest building in the world, I think. There it is. The Romanian Parliament House is absolutely a massive structure. So the building they started construction in 1984 and they didn't finish it till 1997 at a cost of over 4 billion euros.
The size is 240 meters, 790 feet long, and 207 meters wide, or 890 feet wide. And it's 12 floors. So we are in Romania. Behind us is Unirea Boulevard. I always like this place. It's very nice and green.
Straight back there is the Bucharest Fountain. That's that large fountain we saw earlier.
Yes, and those apartments here are pretty expensive, but they're pretty.
They are really nice looking apartments.
And guess what? Guess where we are? Where are we?
That is the People's House. That is the Romanian Parliament building. It is a massive structure. It was completed in 1997 after the groundbreaking started in 84, right before the fall of communism.
Yes, so Ceausescu didn't have, the old president didn't have enough time to be there because he got killed.
You're not happy about that, are you?
I am very happy about it.
Good morning, guys. It is officially pack up and go home day from Europe. It's 4:30 in the morning, way too early, but we're getting ready, weighing up all of our luggage. It's always really nice to have one of these luggage scales with you when you're traveling, so you don't have to do the, move stuff around in your luggages. And want you follow along with us and see the travel process during COVID right now. We have our COVID test that we took yesterday, and hopefully we have any and all the paperwork we need to go travel. Come along with us and find out. All right, we're in the airport waiting for our first flight to Paris. Made it through security super easy, had all of our documents ready, had our COVID tests just on our phone and the files. And what else did we need? We needed our passports, our COVID tests, and our vaccination cards. It's actually really easy to travel now as long as you're vaccinated. All right, we're gonna wait for our flight now to Paris. All right, we're on our first flight, leaving Bucharest and heading for Paris. See you in 3.5 hours.
See you.
All right, so we got to Paris and security here is shit. They basically made me dump out my entire backpack just to get through the metal detector, and then they sent me back through because I had one battery pack left in my backpack. And you want to tell them what happened to you, Dave?
Yes, they're so stupid in here. Do not come to Paris. Do not come to France because they're stupid. They don't know what halva means, and that's a Romanian food. And because of that, they trash it because they didn't know what it was. How stupid can it be? If you don't know, just leave me alone.
It's sunflower seeds and sugar that's been ground up, and it's sort of put together like a candy, yeah?
Yeah, but it was a piece like this big.
Yeah.
And they didn't know what it was. But it wasn't solid.
It's solid.
It wasn't fluid. Yeah.
It
was solid, so they should have let me, and they're stupid and they didn't let me.
But instead they decided to start squishing it, and it fell apart, and they decided you couldn't have it. And they even did all the testing and all that, and it didn't come back as anything, and they still said you couldn't have it.
Right, they made me throw it away, and that was for my mom. And I even told her I'm gonna bring her, and now I don't have it.
Bullshit. Paris sucks. Security's crazy. You think you'd have COVID problems traveling, not right now, not problems with security checkpoints, huh?
And it was just a transit, and we had to throw the water and everything and rebuy it.
Right.
The transit shouldn't be that.
Right. And the second you land and throw away all your water, they even made you pull out every little bottle of liquid and every little perfume and put those all in separate bags. I mean, security was stupid crazy.
Come to France.
And on top of all the bullshit getting through security, we then found out that the lounge we have access to is on the other side of the security checkpoint. So we skipped it, and now we have like an hour and 40-minute wait here at the gate. Oh, all right, not a way to have a layover. Now we have like a 9.5-hour flight to Minneapolis. Long day of travel again. All right, so make sure you get to your gate early. They do a security check again with the airline, then they check your COVID test, and then you have to fill out a little piece of paper affirming that you take your COVID test and that it's negative, or that you've had COVID in the last 90 days. Yikes. You know, next time, no layovers. Layovers are a real pain in the butt right now.